Groundwater is a vital natural resource that plays a crucial role in supporting various human activities and the overall ecosystem. Understanding the availability and quality of groundwater is essential for effective water resource management. In Chattarpur, Delhi, there is a growing need for accurate and reliable groundwater surveyors to assess and monitor the groundwater levels and quality. These surveyors are professionals who specialize in conducting surveys and assessments to gather important data related to groundwater resources. Chattarpur, being a rapidly urbanizing area, is faced with the challenge of managing its water resources sustainably. Groundwater surveyors in Chattarpur are equipped with the knowledge and tools to collect data on the depth of the water table, groundwater recharge potential, and water quality parameters. This information is crucial for making informed decisions regarding water usage, planning for infrastructure development, and implementing effective water conservation measures. One of the key aspects of groundwater surveying is the design and implementation of monitoring systems. SCON, Strategic Communication Network, design plays a significant role in ensuring accurate and efficient data collection. SCON design involves strategically placing monitoring wells in locations that provide representative information about the groundwater dynamics in Chattarpur. These monitoring wells are equipped with sensors and instruments that measure water levels, temperature, conductivity, and other parameters that help in understanding the behavior of the groundwater system. The role of groundwater surveyors in Chattarpur goes beyond data collection. They also analyze the collected data to identify trends, patterns, and potential issues related to groundwater availability and quality. This analysis helps in identifying areas where there might be excessive groundwater extraction or contamination risks. Groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in assessing and monitoring the availability and quality of groundwater resources in Chattarpur, Delhi. With increasing urbanization and population growth, the demand for water is also on the rise. Therefore, it becomes essential to have a comprehensive understanding of the groundwater situation in order to effectively manage and sustain this vital resource. Chattarpur, being located in a rapidly developing area of Delhi, is prone to various challenges related to groundwater availability and quality. This makes the role of groundwater surveyors all the more important. These professionals are equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills to conduct surveys and collect data that helps in understanding the current groundwater scenario in Chattarpur. The work of groundwater surveyors includes conducting field investigations, collecting water samples, analyzing them for various parameters, and preparing detailed reports. They use advanced techniques and tools such as hydrogeological modeling, geophysical surveys, and remote sensing to gather accurate information about the groundwater resources in Chattarpur. This data helps in identifying potential sources of contamination,